Okay, so let's do clicking. So what we're gonna do is, before this if statement, we're gonna check if mouse has been clicked. First we need to get SDL underscore setup, get main event, type equals SDL underscore mouse button down. Now we're gonna do the same thing again. SDL underscore setup, get main event button dot button is equal to SDL underscore button left. So now this will read when we press the left key mouse. Let's create boolean called follow. Set it to true when you press left key, and set it to false here in the constructor. And we could make it false when distance reaches 0. So once you got to the distance, make it false, but only run this code if you're actually following. It's not working exactly what I would want it to. Because I click and he follows until he reaches the destination. And what we want is when you click, he goes to that point. And if I move the mouse, he doesn't move there. Unless I'm holding it, then he should follow it, whatever. So actually we have to create, since we're following mouse position here, we actually shouldn't. We should create something like a follow point or something. So let's create two integers called follow point x, integer follow underscore point underscore y. And we make this equals to mouse x, follow point underscore y equals mouse y. So when you click, you make those points equal to the mouse position. And now we're going to change all of those mouse positions below here. Don't change those though. Oops. So we change them with mouse. You might change mouse X, mouse Y with follow point Y, and mouse X with follow point X. So, okay, I believe that's it. So I click here, and he goes there even though I move mouse. If I hold it, it will not work. I have to click. And that is not good. And that's because it's resetting when I move the mouse. We can also do I think I know how to fix this. If you do end CSDL underscore setup is equal to SDL mouse motion. So we're gonna go have those two checks. So if mouse is bottom down and you're moving the mouse, which is not working. Oh, maybe PR. There you go. So, okay, so to fix that, all you do is you also check for the motion. So either the button is down or mouse motion, and if it's left key is down, then you check it here. So then we can click here. But as you can see, he teleports first, and I think I know why. Let's find it. Let's find out why. I'm setting something to 0, 0. I think it's because of the origin. We're setting the origin, but we're not setting the position here, and that's what's causing the problem. So what we're gonna do is set we're gonna just do set position function, set position, and then we're gonna do get x plus actually minus origin x. Actually just get x, get y, because we're already subtracting origin. Yes, so to fix that little teleporting at the beginning, you actually have to have just create set function and set it to itself position, because the origin has changed. So we're setting the position before when the origin is 0, 0, when the object is created, then we're creating the origin, but then not, and then we move the character, but it was the character had origin of 0. And then it's like, oh no, I have origin of half of my width, so he teleports. So we simply set it here. We set the position here. So it kind of resets it it resets the position when we set the origin. It's like here. So that will fix the problem. And now if we click here, he moves there. If we click here, he moves here. And if you hold this, he will follow your mouse. If you let go, he will go there. I think this is much better than doing controls with key presses because you have more control over it, and I think it will be a little bit more fun. So yeah, we still have to do a few things here to make it like nicer, like we can actually do if not equals here, and we can move that. Same here, because this is basically it does the same thing. So if not equals, and that's shorter. There's definitely some optimization that can be done in this code. And that should work exactly the same, but with 2 less if 7s, as you can see. Same here, we're creating a variable on every 10 milliseconds here. That probably could be done better way. So the code is not perfect, but it is working. on next tutorial I'll be making this a class. Like I'll create main character class, which will contain all this code. So again, we'll have smaller loop and more organized. Also, I'll try to do animations for the character. Okay, I hope you guys learned something from this and have a nice day.